Want to remove the background from any photo in just one click for free? Let me show you how. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to remove the background from any image using a free online tool. No editing skills needed. First, open your Chrome browser. Then, just search for Remove BG, exactly like I'm doing. After that, click on the first website that appears. Now, once you're on the site, tap on the Upload Image button. Choose the file you want from your phone or computer and wait a few seconds. The tool will automatically remove the background for you. Once it's done, click on the download icon. Then select the free option to save your image. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background. By the way, if you scroll down a bit, there are more cool features you can try. Also, if you log into the website, you can download higher quality images. So I recommend you create an account and check it out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. More AI and tech tips coming soon. See you in the next one.